Inilahad ni Sam Milby ang kanyang saloobin sa nangyaring pag-iyak ng dati niyang nobya na si Katrina Gray sa concert ni TJ Monterde na pareho nilang dinaluhan. Sa episode ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, nitong Lunes, sinabi ni Sam na batid niyang manunood din ng concert ni TJ si Katrina, na nakapwesto hindi kalayuan sa kanya. TJ, first off, I didn't know na ganun yung mga song niya. It was such a beautiful concert but it was really hard, ani Sam. A woman that I still love and care about is, I see a few seats away from me, is crying, patuloy ng aktor. I didn't know how to react. Inakala ng mga netizen na nakakita sa insidente ng mag-viral sa social media na nakamove on na si Sam sa kanilang breakup habang hindi pa si Katrina. Pero ayon kay Sam, mali ang akala ng ibang tao. If people thought I was comfortable, I was complete opposite. I was not comfortable during that concert, saad niya. And it's something that should be celebrated cause it was a beautiful concert. My best friend was directing, John Prats. But it was a hard situation and I was kind of frozen at the time. It wasn't easy at all, sabi pa niya. Sa naturang episode, naging emosyonal si Sam nang kumustahin siya matapos ang hiwalayan nila ni Katrina. Lumabas sa publiko ang relasyon nina Sam at Katrina noong 2020, at naging engaged sila noong 2023. Mapapanood si Sam sa romantic comedy film na Everything About My Wife, kasama sina Jeneline Mercado at Dennis Trillo.